Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make finance and taxes super simple to understand. Today we are talking about something that every businessman or freelancer in India should know. TAN registration. What is TAN, why is it important, and how skipping it can cost you thousands of rupees. Don't worry, I will explain you everything with real life case studies so that you can relate. Let's dive right in. TAN stands for Tax Deduction and Collection Account Number. It is a 10-digit alphanumeric number issued by the Income Tax Department of India. If you are responsible for collecting or deducting TDS, that is tax deducted at source, then it is mandatory for you to have a TAN. Basically, TAN tells the government who is deducting the tax, so all records are linked correctly. This is Helil, a digital marketing agency owner. He pays freelancers a 50,000 a month, but he neither deducts his TDS nor quotes his TAN, thinking it is just a small business. Who would notice? Guess what? During an income tax check, he got a notice and 10,000 penalty for not quoting his TAN under section 272BB. Moral of the story, whether you are small or big, compliance doesn't care about your size. The moment you start deducting TDS, it is mandatory for you to have TAN. Let's quickly understand why TAN is so important. It is needed to file TDS returns. It must be quoted on all TDS challans and certificates. It helps the department track who deducted the tax. And yes, failing to quote TAN attracts penalties up to rupees 10,000. So whether you pay salaries, rents, contractor fees or even buy a property, wherever TDS applies, TAN is a must. Now let's talk about Priya, a startup founder. She hired some developers on contract. So her CA asked her for her TAN. But she didn't have one, and her bank refused to process TDS challans without it. It cost her both time and credibility. After applying for TAN, everything went smoothly. So if you are a freelancer, NGO, startup or a business owner, you can't skip it. Applying for TAN is super simple. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Visit the official NSDL website. Step 2. Click on Apply Online Form 49B. Step 3. Fill in your basic details like name, address and AO code. Step 4. Pay the small fee, just ₹65. Step 5. Submit and note down your acknowledgement number. Step 6. You will receive your TAN by post or email within a few days. Here are a few quick tips before you leave. TAN and PAN are different. Don't mix them up. Every individual buying a property and deducting TDS needs a TAN. You need to quote TAN on every TDS related document. So that's TAN registration in a nutshell. A small number that can save you from big compliance troubles. So if you are someone who finds all this tax compliance overwhelming, let me help you out. This video is brought to you by Patron Accounting, your trusted partner in tax return filing, bookkeeping and compliance support. They help small business owners and startup founders to stay 100% tax ready, so you can focus on growing your business. Do check them out and you will not regret it.